Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 22 plus 0 multiply 44 minus 44. Okay, so most people solve this question like 22 plus 0 is equal to 22. Okay, then 44 minus 44 is equal to 0. Now 22 multiply 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly. PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, and D means division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. A means addition and S means subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now in this problem, first priority is this multiplication. Okay, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, multiplication is first priority. So 22 plus, now solve this multiplication, 0 multiply 44 is equal to 0 minus 44. Okay, so here is addition and here is subtraction. Addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. 22 plus 0 is equal to 22 minus 44. Now 22 minus 44 is equal to minus 22. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 22. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.